In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to display letters on a Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. Let's dive right in and explore the steps for effectively showcasing your text within this powerful presentation software. First, launch PowerPoint on your desktop. This step ensures you're ready to create or open a presentation where you can add your text. Once PowerPoint is up and running, decide whether you want to open an existing presentation or start a new one. Add any photos, tables, or other content you need to enhance your slides. This sets a solid foundation for your presentation, making sure everything you need will be in place as you proceed. Next, navigate to the Insert tab located at the top of your screen and click on the text box option. This tool allows you to create spaces specifically for text on your slides, providing flexibility in how and where your text appears. Click and drag on your slide to create the text box, then type in your desired letters. This simple action places your text onto the slide, allowing you to see how it interacts with any other elements you've added. If there's an existing placeholder text box on your slide, you can also click on it and type your letters directly. This approach saves time by utilizing available resources, ensuring your text is placed efficiently. With your text in place, you can further customize its appearance. Utilize the tools found on the Home tab to modify the font style, size, color, and alignment of your letters. These options help personalize your presentation, allowing it to reflect your unique style or the specific requirements of your project. To make your text truly stand out, consider adding animations that make it appear dynamically. Start by clicking the text box containing the letters you want to animate. This highlights the box, setting it up for the application of special effects. From there, move over to the Animations tab. Here, you can select an entrance animation that suits your presentation style, whether it's a subtle appear or a smooth fade. Make sure you set the animation to start on click. This gives you control over when your text appears, adding an element of interactivity to your slides. You can also enhance your slides by adding text to shapes. Once again, head to the Insert tab, but this time click on Shapes. Choose a shape. You might opt for a rectangle or a circle, and drag to draw it onto your slide. With the shape selected, simply start typing to add your desired text inside it. The text is integrated directly into the shape, and as you move or rotate the shape, the text will follow suit, offering a unique visual effect. By following these steps, you can display letters effectively on your PowerPoint presentation, enriching your content and engaging your audience. Now, go ahead and try these features in your next PowerPoint project and watch your presentations come to life.